On-patrol officers were notified by a local neighborhood watch association that 3 individuals were standing at a park taking pictures of guns and using illicit substances. Officers arrived on scene and attempted to conduct an investigation, but the suspects flee in reverse.
Here's 22.
Hands up! Hands up!
222. Shall we go up the wall as well?
262 out, go to reverse, southbound. He crashed.
Person open wall, he's swinging southbound.
He's in the woods over here. Where'd they run? Where'd they run?
6-3, what's their status?
I got a sprained ankle though. All right, sit down.
You are. I'm not in.
Sit down. Right here. Yeah.
Where'd they run?
6-3, Eddie, you got anyone or did he run?
262 out.
You walked me over to the rocks right there, so I ain't gonna run, bro.
Where'd your boy go? Tell me where he went.
No, I couldn't see him. I just crawled out and saw y'all.
Where's your gun?
I ain't got no gun.
Yes, you did.
Well, I don't have no gun, bro. I was in the passenger seat. We was up there just chilling with my brothers and dad, bro. Hey.
All right, have a seat. Have a seat somewhere.
She walked me to the rocks right there.
No, that's where the train's at. Here.
Yeah, flash call on the train. East contact crash near the train tracks over here.
We're gonna need PH1 over here.
Courtesy.
Alright, 262 Adam, 1 in custody, 1944.
Maybe have hospital DOA.
Alright, what's the location for the DOA?
41st and Oakland Wall.
Oh! My uncle, did you find my uncle, bro?
Huh?
My uncle's in the back seat, man.
Where is he?
I don't know, bro. That's what I'm worried
That's the one
about.
with the fucked up leg, right?
Huh?
That was the one with the...
I'm the one with the fucked up leg. That's my clutch. He was in the back seat. Fuck! Man, that shit ain't right, bro. Why would he just do that, bro?
Rowan and Oakenwald, there is a weapon right here where this individual is at that we need an ambo at. I did not recover it, but it's here.
What's up?
Okay, we have a weapon not recovered. We're sending the ambulance. 4-1 and open
I don't
wall.
see anything over here, man.
You sure he didn't run this
Other officers on this range?
He came down. I couldn't even see. I don't see anything moving right
Any
now.
officers on the track?
Is someone still in the car?
Nobody's on the track.
Track. Are there any units on the track?
No,
Hey, watch him, Kev. I'm gonna go through his shit.
Do you have descriptions?
Where was he? The back seat?
Yeah. He was the one with the
I
crutch.
was in the front seat.
Driver or passenger?
Passenger seat. Oh my God, my life just flashed between my
You
eyes.
good?
All we have is black
Any
hoodie,
hurt?
gray shorts. That's all we have for one offender.
Sprained
Any
ankle?
other
Is
descriptions?
that about it? Is that about it? Or
About the accident?
I mean, is that about it that's hurting?
Yeah, my back and my fucking
Your back and-
seat, yeah, man.
Hey, I'm standing over and get out of the way so you're not hurt. Just so it doesn't fall back on him. I know.
My uncle was in the back seat, a white guy, bro. Bro, I ain't never been through nothing like this a day in my life, bro.
42nd and 41st.
Where did they run, man? You gotta make sure they're not hurt.
I don't know.
If they're bleeding out, man, we need to
Listen,
find them.
I was in the front passenger seat. He flew back, and all I can remember was just slide to the back. And I
Because
was
if someone
falling
got
out the
hurt by
truck.
some shit that busted out a windshield, I don't know if a stick penetrated them. If they're bleeding out, man, we need to find them.
Oh my God, bro. I don't know, man. Bro. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Just find my uncle.
He was the one in the back seat, you said?
Back seat.
Okay.
Stop right
He
there.
was just chilling right there smoking, bro.
They won't have the blanket.
Damn,
Bring
why
it
you
now.
do that? Oh my
Don't let
God,
any
bro. Badass fucking
walk
people.
over this crime scene.
Oh my God, oh my
Alright,
uncle.
41st and Oakenwall, we need a crime scene set up. No people allowed to go to that location. Anyone with a blanket, please bring it over there.
Bowen and Oakenwall, squad. Bowen and Oakenwall.
Why would he do that? Hey, can you pull my pants?
Alright, are you at 4-0 or 4-1?
Anyway,
Doesn't look like you're leaking.
man, I just had God on my side. I swear to God, my life just
4-1,
Doesn't look like. I'm gonna
3-1.
look at your face.
4-1, 3-1.
Back you.
Let's make this.
Make sure you're not bleeding.
Oh,
You're
let's
good.
spread
You're
this
sound.
hate.
my life
Don't
just
let any
between
people
my
come
eyes,
near this crime
bro.
scene.
Oh my fucking God. How did I just survive that?
Hey, yeah.
How did I just survive this, bro?
Oakenwall, trying to hold these people back.
221,
I
10-4.
should be dead right now, man.
231.
231.
Start walking them out.
Unit with a red tape
You got any
customer
shoes
over
in
here.
There was some black Crocs.
Any units with red tape around 41 and Oakenwall.
Can you reach to see if there's
2-5,
any
we
like
got some. We're bringing it over.
sandals over there?
Black
Alright,
Crocs.
2-5's bringing it.
299.
Hey, hold
299.
on, look. You said in the front seat.
Widen that crime scene. Block north, block south, block
Front
west.
seat?
Alright, we need a crime scene set up. 1 block north, 1 block south, 1 block east and west.
Alright, the north end is going to be 41st Street and Oakenwall. That's sealed off.
Alright, we're taking 44th and Oakenwall. Alright, 26380, we're making a separate event for this DOA.
A phone, an iPhone.
I don't see anything.
But we're gonna need ammo to up it because we're gonna start getting a crowd over here, squad.
Jesus, I don't know.
Alright, 10-4, we're calling fire. We'll let them know to step it up.
We need
260, we're
One more time, please.
widen that crime scene and start holding it down so nobody comes in.
Alright, I need a unit at 41st and Ellis. 41st and Ellis. Any units on scene, 40 Ellis to secure the crime scene. $213.
260, if anybody can break away from the station that's on lunch or anything like that, that'll be greatly appreciated right now.
Chris, how are we getting them up there?
We got no one on lunch. Everyone's on the street right now. Alright, 213.
213, I'm over on the crime
Alright, we're gonna start moving up here.
assistant tax.
I'm gonna go first.
Alright, where are you doing
Take your
traffic
time,
control?
take your time, don't worry.
The light right here.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
well,
gonna push to get you more
41st.
balance.
Alright,
Stay right
41st
there,
and
right? Stay
Oakenwall,
right there.
10-4.
Stay right.
Wow, so is there a blanket, towel, something, anything?
Don't bring
Alright, any units with a towel, blanket.
Huh?
Any units with a towel, paper towels, anything, we need it over at the crime scene
Chris,
ASAP.
pull them up.
Disregard the ambulance is showing up. They should probably have one.
Yeah, they go right, cut right, this way.
10-4, ambulance is pulling up.
Yeah, no, I put the car in front.
Move some of these cars so the EMS can come through. All right, any vehicles that are blocking on Oakenwald, we need your cars moved right now. 213, 250, 263 Adam, 231.
Man, 262 Adam, I'm seeing squad.
Your uncle?
I got you guys on scene.
I ain't gonna fuck past this thing. Okay. I got you right. You go, right?
363.
No, I got your wallet.
363.
No, wait.
Yeah, squad, give me a VIN number for my body worn camera. Being down from the tour duty 0900
Like hell.
Hey,
to
right here, though. Hold right here.
2200.
One 13172.
Nah.
All the twos. All the twos.
I don't know. Should I bring him up now or?
Second place in overall. All right, 10-4.
Give us a minute. Let's just